For this class, there are a few different places that you will need to keep track of as you are going. So some of the important links that you will need to use this semester include the Media Center. This has a lot of databases which we'll use during research, and it also has books. So if we do book checkouts, I'm probably going to have you look here first so that you kind of go into the Media Center knowing what you want, so there's not a lot of time wandering and clumping together and spreading diseases. So we're going to be using the Media Center webpage a lot. Another great important link that you'll need is the Great River Regional Library. The libraries are not currently open, but you can order books or request books, and then you can pick them up. You can't go actually in and browse, but you can go and pick books up. Peer Grade is another one that we'll be using. This is for grading or peer reviewing papers, so we'll be using that this year. Rapid Identity is for all your ERHS accounts like email, Drive, Schoology, all of that kind of stuff. And then Common Lit we will be using this year for access to some short stories that we will be using. Our last tab that we have to go through is contact information. So the best way to get through to me is with email. During the day, I can usually answer within a couple hours. I can answer during passing time really quick and get you or your parents your answers that you need. My email is emily.petrowski@isd728.org. My school phone number is another way to contact me. My prep is second hour, so that would be the best time to call if you needed to call me. My school phone number is there in case you need it. I cannot guarantee that that is going to be the fastest way to get a hold of me, though. Otherwise, there is a message option on Schoology that you can always use too, and that goes straight to my phone, so I usually will see that a little bit quicker too if it's not during school hours. Never feel bad about reaching out to me. It's my job to help you guys. I want to see you succeed. I want you to do well. I want you to know how to do all of this. So I will always answer your questions, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can so you're not sitting around waiting for me. So please, please, please don't think that you're being a problem by asking me. I want you guys to ask me your questions so that we can get you don't have to sit around and be confused. So please ask your questions if you have them. Otherwise, that's the end of our syllabus. If you have any additional questions, please let me know so that I can get you guys the information that you want and need. Otherwise, I hope we have a great year.